Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making a very simple, easy Greek salad recipe along with the dressing as well. So let me go ahead and show you what we need. I have here a 1 head romaine lettuce. It's cut. Half a red onion sliced. I have about 1/4 cup of olives. 1/3 cup of tomato. 1/3 cup of sliced green pepper, 1/4 cup of sliced cucumber. I have 1 cup of feta cheese, crumbled. And for the dressing, I have here 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and just a pinch of few pinches of pepper, black pepper, and salt for your taste. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be throwing in the cucumber along with the onion, the tomato, the green pepper, the olives, the feta cheese, and I'm going to be adding salt a little bit just for your taste, and just a pinch of pepper, okay. I'm going to be drizzling some olive oil, just a tablespoon. Just gonna give it a quick toss. Alright, let me get this out of the way. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to make the simple, easy salad dressing. So I have 1/2 cup of olive oil in here. I have 2 garlic minced. Just going to throw that in there along with my lemon juice. Just a pinch of some black pepper, pinch of salt for your taste, and then give this a good mix. So just taste it for the salt. And okay guys, so this is it. It's very easy, simple, plain, very tasty salad. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys did, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.